Good morning, world! Today feels really good. Hey there! Let's start our day! Go with me and learn simple English sentences. The air feels so fresh. Everything looks so nice. I'm ready to go! I like walking this way. I see something nice. This makes me smile. I feel happy inside. Little things make me happy. What a peaceful day. I want to slow down. This feels really nice. I'm ready to go on. The sky looks so bright. I love this quiet place. It's nice to slow down. This makes me feel calm. Hey buddy, you're cute! Time to head home. The sunset feels warm. Night is coming now. I'm home now. Hello, my little friend. Dinner smells really good. Dinner with my parents feels warm. The stars look so bright. I feel calm and hopeful. Tomorrow will be great. Thanks for spending time with me. See you in the next video.